This is your second car? And how old are you?
16.
These things are so crazy.
5,000 likes. We're gonna all throw slushies at Chris's car.
No! Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna start off with an SVJ cold start. You can't even hear anything now! Oh my god, that thing is so loud. Hey Pookie. Going out today with my dad, my little brother, and my girlfriend. Say hello, Pookie.
Hello.
You guys are gonna get to know everyone a little bit better. I can't wait to let you guys hear what that Gintani exhaust sounds like. Holy moly, dude. If you ever want to humble yourself, just follow a V12, dude. Because you can't even hear my car right now. Like, look at this thing. Alright guys, so we just came inside to say hi to everyone. Whole squad is here. I didn't realize, but literally everyone is here. So I'm gonna give y'all a car tour. This matte black Urus S. Look at this thing. This thing is really nice. Basic spec. There's not much you can do wrong with black on black on black. No complaints from me. Absolutely beautiful car. Practical daily. Next, Chris's M2 again. You already seen this in the last video, so I'm not even gonna cover it. I like the car. I'm sure you guys too. We have the 911 that we already covered as well. Beautiful car. There's the at right under the license plate. Questionable placement for me. I mean, overall, very nice car. Again, you can't really go wrong with red on black. I'm not sure what that lady's doing. I thought she was gonna run me over. Oh yeah, she's here to pick up him. Okay, cool. We're gonna try and get there legally without getting run over. Whoo! That turbo was tough.
Hey.
Hello, Pookie. So this is the new car that you guys haven't seen. This one, Vicky's car. Her ad's gonna be here in the corner. This car, brand new. They just got it.
16-year-old. Her second car.
Yeah, second car at 16 years old. This is unbelievably crazy. Second car at 16. What was her first car again? A pink Taycan.
Yep.
Pink Taycan, first car. She got that at 15. She couldn't even legally drive it. And then this is her second car. Absolutely unfathomable, dude. This thing is crazy. Carbon everywhere. Look at how big those calipers are. Beautiful color. This thing, I mean, it's not, there isn't much better car you can get for a second car at 16 years old, is there?
I would not be complaining if I got this.
No, I don't think anyone would. I completely forgot to give you guys a better view of this car, but this is Papa's SVJ. Probably the most modern one I think I've ever seen. I would say ever, but there's definitely more. Big 3-piece white wheels, yellow color. I mean, I haven't really seen many yellow SVJs to begin with. This thing sounds incredible, like you guys already figured out. The perfect daily, I would say. Arguably the perfect daily. And then you guys already know about this car. There's, what the hell? What is going on, dude? But yeah, you guys already know enough about this car, and you've met everybody else now. Well, actually, should we try to get like the kids, the owner of the cars out here, to talk to them about the car?
Yeah, a little interview.
Little interview? All right, so our eats just arrived. Give us a tour of your eats real quick, babe.
Lettuce, chicken.
That's it? Lettuce and chicken?
Buffalo sauce.
They gave me a goddamn lily pad. God. I got a double burger with sweet potato fries. I can't have anything to myself. This is the aura demon herself, Vicky. Tell us about this car.
It's MSO with MSO carbon, P1 buckets. I think it's
P1 buckets?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, slow down. I just want to make sure I got the rumors true first. This is your second car?
Yeah.
And how old are you?
16.
Dude.
Yeah.
What was your first car?
Pink Porsche Taycan.
Okay, that makes sense. Another question. Have you gotten pulled over yet?
Yeah. Second day that I have my license, I got pulled over by
The second day that you've had your license, not even the car. Oh my God, was it serious?
I can't talk about it. My lawyer said not to.
Okay, your favorite thing about it?
The favorite thing I think I would say is the buckets, the P1.
Show me immediately. What are you talking about? Look at all this carbon, dude. Oh, little butterfly door. Woo! Dude, look at this interior. My God. Blood, congratulations.
Thank you.
You mogged your brother and your sister, by the way. Holy f, this thing is beautiful. Moving on from this thing, we're gonna record the sister. Hello. Tell us about your vehicle.
So this is my 911 Carrera 2021.
Beautiful spec.
Beautiful. It's kind of too tall right now.
Okay. Self-hate. I wasn't gonna say anything. Tell me your plans with this car. Aero kit wing?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have a fake GT3.
Until we can get
Okay.
one. Yeah. We don't want a GT3. We want a nice looking 911.
Okay.
That's not okay.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
The Soul Performance X pipes already in.
Oh, okay. There's
That's a
already
little
X
better.
pipes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's a little better.
That's an upgrade. Okay, I wasn't expecting that.
We're gonna lower it. Put the wing. Then
Wheels.
we're gonna change the wheels.
Good.
We're gonna put the wheels after this.
Oh, you're gonna. Wait, what?
Just a little bit.
You're gonna camber it? Spacer or
Yeah,
camber?
space.
What's your favorite thing about the car?
I like the brakes.
The brakes. Like how they feel or how they look?
How they feel.
Let's see these brakes. Can you tell me what type of brakes they are? Like 6 piston, 5 piston?
No, that's too much.
That's too much information. Nobody
Yeah.
cares about that anyway. It's
I
cool.
only know those- These wheels, these back wheels are bigger than those. I didn't know that.
Really? 1920 from factory is pretty cool. All right, so tell me. Alright.
I need to defend myself. How is he gonna call my car bought when I have a 911 and he has a BMW?
Damn. Okay, so we're hating on BMW.
No, we are actually.
Mercedes on top.
Oh! Okay,
Nah, you're
wait,
cooked.
let me
Nah, you're
defend
cooked. You're
myself
cooked.
again.
You're cooked.
My car has nothing. It's not lowered or anything. But somehow it's still the same height as his car.
Wait.
And his car is
Wait,
lower.
no. Stop everything. Stop everything. She said it's the same height.
No, but I'm
4.
talking
We're
about-
measuring.
We're
We're measuring.
Took off all the mods. All the parts.
Oh, spreading misinformation. Oh, nah, this is barely a finger. Okay, fine,
You
whatever.
gotta lower it.
Let's go back to your car. Let's go back to your car. Oh my god. Okay, dude, we get it. How long have you had this car?
A couple months.
Is this your first car?
Second.
Second car.
I took my mom's Hummer EV.
So your first car was a Hummer EV and your second car is this.
I like it, but I don't like it.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
16, okay. So you had the Hummer before you could even legally drive too.
Yeah, I was 16.
Okay, incredible. Can we see the interior?
Oh, of course.
Thank you. Look at that, the door's still
Let me
open.
open the door for you.
Oh, thank you so much. A gentleman.
Oh!
Oh, okay. Wait, this is luxurious.
But wait, you won't
This is
believe
luxurious.
what happened
What?
today. We gotta come over to this side. Close that side. We gotta go over this side. As soon as you see all today.
Talk to me.
You see on that other side, you're able to like pull like the seat down, you know?
Oh no, what happened?
It's gone.
What?
It's gone.
What happened?
It ripped off.
Are you serious? How? You're just abusing a Porsche. Why does your key look
I
like that?
lost it. It looks fire, right?
Oh, this is tough.
Fix that.
Is this custom?
Yeah, by Enzo.
Oh, by the same people that did my car. Bro, this is
Yeah,
tough.
it is really tough.
Is it paint match like for real? Oh my god,
I
it
think
is.
it is, yeah.
That's really cool, dude. Well, congratulations, buddy. I'm overly jealous of you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hello, Christopher. We've already talked about your car, but I didn't ask you these questions. So we're just live hating. How old are you?
16.
16? This is your first or second or third or fourth car? I wouldn't be surprised at this point. First car?
First.
Okay. You already have mods done to it. Can you tell me a little bit about the mods?
Carbon fiber hood. Fender. And then alpha N front lip.
So Alpha N kit, we'll just say.
Yeah.
Okay.
BBS's. 8,000.
Or 6. 20,
That's a pickup truck. Oh, that's tough.
But is it a Avant? If it's not a Avant?
No, it's not.
It's not an Avant. We don't care. Alpha N auto body kit. BBS wheels. I'm assuming lowering springs.
Yup.
It's really low. And the downpipes
And a mid pipe.
and a mid pipe.
Wheels dirty as hell.
Why is everyone hating on everybody's car?
You should clean them.
Why are you stepping on your own
Why are
wheels?
you putting your shoes on that?
Dude, oh my god. All right, so what's your favorite thing about this car?
It's different. No one has this.
The most bought answer ever. Have you ever gotten pulled over?
Hell no.
And how long have you owned this car?
A year.
Okay, so you're the least spoiled one out of everybody else here.
I run away, you know what I mean?
What?
Can we see the interior?
No.
Okay, let's go ahead. Oh my god, wait, this interior is tough. Wait, this is tough. Buckets? I didn't know he had the buckets. This is so tough. Honestly, this is probably one of the better interiors besides the McLaren.
Let me show you something.
Talk to me. Oh, look at that. Full carbon bucket. There's back seats.
Oh, and I like this because like people get to like.
People get to tickle you.
Yeah, exactly. Whoa.
If this video gets
More than 5,000 likes,
We're gonna all throw slushies at Chris's car.
No.
Like this? And then
Yo, we are not getting 5,000 likes. This car is safe and sound. Bro, if we get 5,000 likes, I will let you guys throw slushies at my car too.
bet. Okay.
Fuck it. Everybody's getting slushies thrown in their car at 5,000. Dude, genuinely, I get if you like the cars, but why are we parking in the middle of the street and walking around? This is like a well-known phenomenon in Florida at this point, where every time you take out a car that's not your daily, like a weekend car or a cool car, you get stuck in 1.5 miles of traffic. Look at this thing, dude. Oh my God. This next thing that I'm gonna show you guys is crazy because I guarantee you haven't seen one yet like this. SVJ with underglow. Who else does this, bro? This guy is crazy. My old man is wild. Look at this. Oh my God. A $700,000 car. And if you thought the SVJ already wasn't crazy enough, there's a Super Trofeo, red lights, and red underglow. This thing, it still amazes me till this day. It's full carbon. I'm sure you guys have figured that out already. But oh my God, it looks like a Batmobile. Look at this thing. It doesn't even look real. Look at all the carbon. Wow, dude. Just check out the interior. There we go. Look at this. Just steel cage everywhere. No sound protection. We don't need that. Crazy buckets, like Batman looking controls in there. Look at the wing. Oh my God, this thing is so sick. We're gonna turn on the lights really quickly, just so you guys can see. But oh my God, look at the silhouette on this thing. At my exotic cars, dude. That thing is even more crazy, but it's up on the lift, so I can't show you. I can't believe this is still in my garage. Or, well, I live here. You know what I mean. It's not my garage.
You can do is badass. You know that. I made you.
You're the GOAT.
I made you with my nuggets.
Who needs a light on the car when you have another car with underglow to light it up? This is genuinely just the craziest shit ever. It just keeps getting crazier. And the GT2 RS has been neglected up there. Oh my God, this thing is... These things are so crazy.